Guard. What is guard? A guard is a system component, code, rule, model, or service that monitor, filter, and control the input as well as output and action of an AI model. Guard can be input guard, output guard. In input guard, we can sanitize or block the malicious prompt. In output guard, detect and remove unsafe, toxic, or incorrect response. Behavioral guard limit tool use, detect prompt, and injection are rate limit issues. When evaluating the performance of AI system, whether it's a traditional ML model or large language model, RAG pipeline or AI agent. You need to choose the right metrics based on your goal, task type, and the deployment cost. So, categories and their description. Accuracy metrics. Accuracy metrics is something by which you can get how correct and useful it is model output. Efficiency metrics. Efficiency metrics is something by which you can get how fast and scalable your response resource if, efficient it is. Robustness, how well does it handle the noise and result input. Fairness metrics are prediction and equitable across groups. Safety metrics, does it avoid harmful or unsafe behavior? User experiments, how do a human perceive the output? Deployment paradigm. The deployment paradigm refer to the strategy approach used to deliver model or agent into the production based on how, when, and where inference happens. Choosing the right paradigm affect performance, cost, latency, scalability, and governance. Batch inference execution. Batch execution is in which scheduled execution and infrastructure is sparse, Databricks job, Apache Beam, and Airflow. Use cases, chunk prediction, risk scoring, document classification at scale, and pro scalable, cost effective, cons not suitable for the real time. So we are talking about here deployment paradigm. How we can deploy our AI model. First is a batching inference. Second is online and real-time inference. In online and real-time inference, on demand or via REST API, we executed. Infrastructure database model serving fast API AWS are there, and the pros are use cases are chatbot, recommended system, RG agent, voice agents. Pro is the fast user facing, and cons is the higher infra and scaling complexity. Third is streaming inference. Streaming inference is the predict continuously flowing data. Kafka and Flink is parking streaming. Use case is the fraud detection, real-time monitoring, like sensor logs. Pros is the low latency on live data. Cons is complex pipeline management. Fourth one is the edge or on-drive info. That is run on the device, CPU, GPU, and technically sensor flow like Onyx, CoreML, NVIDIA, Jetson. Use cases in mobile IR app, smart camera, and pros are the offline, fast and private. Cons are the limited computer power and update are harder. Fifth is serverless influence. In the serverless influence, model deploy as a function and technology AWS we use and Azure fundamental model packaging use cases are the lightweighted like form processing, event scoring. Pro is the auto scale, no server management. Cons is cold start, limited computer for innovation. Six is the containerized, containerized deployment. Containerized deployment is the model it container orchestrated by the KES tools are Docker, Kubernetes, MLflow. Use cases microservices architecture, microservice architecture, teams management, multiple teams. Pro is scalable and portable. Cons is required for DevOps over. Seven is the federated learning inference. Model training inference on device and update and aggregated content centrally. Framework TensorFlow federated use cases healthcare, finance, privacy. Pro data never leaves device. Cons hard to coordinate and slow convergence. Eight is the multi-model deployment. Multi-model deployment route request to different models. Use cases are A/B testing, routing by task domain, callback model. Tools are the model register, registries, model routers or proxies. Pro test variation, failover capacity. Cons is routing logic can be complex. Nine is the government and secure deployment. Enterprise. Authentication and authorization require data governance, model monitoring, and alert. Need for the regulated industries, critical apps. This is the place where we can see the paradigm and their rules. In batch, we use Databricks jobs, online Databricks model, streaming Kafka, Edge, TensorFlow, serverless AWS Lambda, containerized Docker, and federated Flow and TensorFlow.